There is something that I've learned about income that I would like us to talk about today. One of the things I've learned about income is your income is not constant. It either goes up or down. It's not something that you can say it's constant. As life continues, income goes up, income goes down. Now, one thing that you need to know is that the number one wealth creating tool is your income. Now, there is something I've seen many people do when they get an increase in income. They immediately upgrade their lifestyle. Is there a problem with living a good life? There is no problem. But there are things that you can do that can help you in the future than immediately upgrading your lifestyle. Now, what you do is look at the average of what you spend, for example, in a month, and that average becomes your expenses at a particular month. Now, when you get an increase, for example, today or you do this business deal and you get 15 million shillings, whether it's a sale of business, you've sold a business, or you've sold even an asset, and you get 15 million shillings. The thing that you start immediately to feel is you are rich. And so you really have that temptation to upgrade your car, to upgrade your neighborhood, to upgrade your standard of living. And it's very, very easy to do that when you have money. And so if you do that in 1 or 2 years, that money will be depleted. And what remains is actually that your standard of living has actually gone up, but the amount of money that used to fund it is not there. And so this is what you do. If you get an increase, whether it's a salary or you get a windfall when you make or you sell a business, or when you make some good money, is look for an income generating asset that can earn you interest. It can be a bond, it can be an asset that is basically generating you money, that is money working for you. And there are so many. We have so many asset classes which we're going to talk about later. So look for a financial advisor. Let them give you options of that of what asset you can have to increase your earning capabilities even when you're not working. And so what you get as interest or as a return, that's what you use to increase or upgrade your standard of living. Because what happens is that your money is still there, your 15 million is still there, and there is more money coming as another form of income. This is FinBizWise Nuggets. My name is Tim Mushiri Mashangi.